What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Khalif Assad, and I'm back with another video. Back on the hustle, and I'm on my way back to the shop. If you guys watched the video from yesterday, or it's been a couple days, but my previous video, you'll know that I was unable to take delivery of my new bike due to the fact that there's some paperwork issues at the dealership and they don't have the title. So they're working on getting the title, and I won't be picking it up today either. They said it'll probably take a couple days, but it will be this week that I pick up the bike. So you guys will just have to stay tuned for that. But today I'm on my way back to the shop so I can bring Titan home. My truck. You guys know my truck's been at the shop. If you pay attention, I had to have some stuff done to it. Makoto had to fix one of my rims, and I had the bumper replaced because the previous owner had apparently had an accident in it and never replaced the bumper. As I mentioned, I was going to leave the bumper the way it was because it was kind of representing Titan's tongue, but I decided to go ahead and have it fixed so I could stop getting dinged at car shows for it. So I had the bumper replaced. Also, there was another issue with the size wheels I have on it. The way the bumper was bent, the tire would almost rub on it. And at some points, depending on the angle of the turn, it would rub. But you can only get like your finger between the wheel and the bumper itself. So yeah, I needed to change it out. Anyway, I'm going to deal with the traffic ahead, and I'll cut you guys back on once I get up to the shop. So we finally made it to the shop, and Fu and Makoto are probably inside right now. I'll take you guys in there in a minute. Check the wheel out. See if I can tell. I literally can't tell where. I can't tell what the nick was. I swear I really can't tell what the nick was. I laugh because it did a phenomenal job. Not that I didn't think he would. It's just I'm always amazed at how well of a craftsman Makoto is. But let me take you guys in the shop. I'm gonna switch over to B-roll so that I won't get hit with a copyright. Ohayou gozaimasu. So I brought Makoto and Fu out here. I'm literally trying to figure out where the spot was on my wheel. Now I should have showed you guys the before, and I didn't. but I literally cannot tell where the spot was on my wheel.
Would you be mad I just replaced some wheels?
So I couldn't take it anymore. Makoto's bike was dirty. That bike is too pretty to be as dirty as it was. So I decided to go ahead and clean it. And now Fu is about to clean the truck, because it too is very dirty and needs a bath. I'm excited though. I can't wait to get it home. Maybe this week sometime I will do a video on all of the audio equipment inside the truck. But let me show you guys real quick. I think I've shown this already, but I'll do it again. So there's my custom amp rack with all my amps and my backstage speakers, along with 2 lithium batteries. And then under the truck, I have 2 speakers as well. Close that up. Custom doors designed by Makoto. And you guys can't really see in the back, but actually you can. I've got 8 DD Audio 9912s in the back. My fire extinguisher, just in case anything happens, which I have fuses, so I don't have to worry about. Oh man, I tore a hole in my seat. Need to fix that now. But then I got a 8-inch mid in the center console. Then I got 4 speakers in my door plus the tweet. I custom made a center console so I could fit my iPad in it. Then of course my head unit. But that's pretty much it. One of these days, like I said, I'll go somewhere so I can turn it up and give you guys a demo, but of course I can't do it around here because this lady complained one day that I was shaking her house, which I can understand. I didn't realize it was as loud as it was. This is when we first got everything installed and I was doing some testing and tuning. Didn't realize she was at home because she had left, and when she came back, I didn't notice her car had pulled in. But then I turned it up, and lo and behold, when I looked out the truck, she was standing at the shop giving Makoto an earful. So I will not do that again, because I want to be respectful to the people in the neighborhood. So but anyway, I'm probably gonna put you guys on time lapse so we can watch Fu work his magic and clean the truck for me. So you guys just stay tuned.
Bad habit.
No, it's not a bad habit, it's a good habit actually.
Like,
I like the fact that you're so detail oriented and anal when it comes to cleaning vehicles.
I am.
Because it's to my benefit.
Then, like 20 minutes ago. But I didn't wash it.
So as you all can see, Fu's actually drawing the truck off right now, getting it finished up and buttoned up. I'm sure he regrets volunteering to wash the truck because the temp has dropped at least 10 degrees. So it was only about 40, now it's about, only about 50, now it's about 40. Plus the wind has picked up. So yeah, he's probably hating light right now. But anyway, as soon as he's finished, he, Makoto, and I are gonna sit down, try to get some stuff figured out. We talked to the dealership about the bike. Apparently, the previous owner still has the title. The bike is a 2022. He wanted the 2023. So he asked the dealership to sell his bike on consignment. I bought the bike, and now we're just waiting for him to turn the title back over to the dealership. Once he turns that title over to the dealership, we'll be able to actually take ownership of the bike, and then the bike build will begin. So you guys will be waiting just like I'm waiting. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you click that subscribe button, turn the post notification bell to all so that you know when I drop a new video. Share, like, comment, and all of that. Your boy is out. Rah.